Ogilvy had a really fantastic idea, how to show off that the elastic is really, really elastic. And so they wrote the script around a sumo wrestler, And we said, yeah, let's get a real sumo wrestler. And so we tested a lot of sumo wrestlers from Japan, and then finally chose Toshiro because not just his size, he's really sweet. When you look at him, there is a wonderful, you get a smile because he seems like a happy guy.
तो ये मेरा 7वां साल है डिक्सी स्कॉट के साथ। 7 साल जब कोई काम करता है, जैसे कि मैं डिक्सी स्कॉट बनियान का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ, तो एक रिलेशनशिप बन जाती है। 7 साल की रिलेशनशिप एक ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट करना, सिर्फ एक ये नहीं होता कि इंडोर्स कर रहे हो आप उसको, आपने फुल सपोर्ट भी दिया है, जो क्लाइंट्स हैं, दोस्त बन जाते हैं, फैमिली बन जाती हैं। It's a really good experience.
And action!
मुझे अंडरवेयर चाहिए।
डिक्सी स्कॉट की जो सलमान भाई के साथ में एसोसिएशन है वो पिछले 7 साल से है और आगे भी लंबी चलेगी और ये एसोसिएशन काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। हम ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि जो इस बार का जो कैंपेन होगा पिछले कैंपेन से भी आगे जाएगा। कंज्यूमर का जो एक बिलीफ है डिक्सी स्कॉट के अंदर, उसमें एक स्ट्रॉन्गनेस मिलेगी, ऐसा हमारा मानना है।
So we want to actually enhance the elasticity of the underwear of Dixie Scott. So I think we thought we'll take the humor route yet again. And what better way of showing an elastic of an underwear when a sumo comes and buys it.
Itinishi?
It, me.
E.
It's me. No.
Itni. Boss, Itinishi?
Yeah, superb.
Yeah.
Superb.
Now we have gone a step forward with taking the humor route forward with the sumo film, wherein both the sumo wrestler and Salman are having fun with the elastics and the product, and it's quite a hilarious scene throughout the ad, seeing both of them together.
मुझे अंडरवेयर चाहिए।
सुनो भैया, ये लीजिए डिक्सी स्कॉट।
इंटोनेशी?
ये स्पैंडेक्स वाली।
We are talking about the spandex in our elastics, which is the USP of our product. It came out through a survey on why our products are more long lasting. It's because of this elastics, which we use spandex, which are more durable and also long lasting.
ये लीजिए आप जी।
अब आ जाएगी।
That's a cut. It's fantastic.
I think it's not just with me and Dixie Scott, it's my brother Prasun Pandey, who is a contributor to every script. I think they have a lot of faith in us, and therefore we work that much harder. When people place their trust, then the onus is on you. And in any case, I always ask myself before any script that what would I have done if I owned the brand. So that's the feeling they also gave us from day one. Sumo, because we really wanted good expansion to be demonstrated. I don't think people keep underwear their size. So we wanted to demonstrate through sumo, and it makes for a very interesting demonstration because you can do product window kind of things, but I like to integrate the story of the product into the story of the ad, and that gave us the opportunity.
And action!
तो समझदार समझ जाइए कि इसके इलास्टिक में स्पैंडेक्स जो फुल स्ट्रेच और कंफर्ट देता है सुमो भैया को भी।
एक ही चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है डिक्सी स्कॉट के बारे में, जो कि दे हैव रियली रीजनेबली प्राइस, एंड मैं पहनता हूँ। और आपने फिल्मों में भी देखा होगा कि जैसे कि सुल्तान है, लॉट ऑफ अदर फिल्म्स आई हैव worn only Dixie Scott, अगर मैं किसी चीज़ को इंडोर्स करता हूँ तो वो मैं पहनता हूँ, खाता हूँ, अप्लाई करता हूँ या तो नहीं करता.
Yeah, I think we've traveled almost all the parts of the world. Like once we had an ad in China, now Japan, and we also did one in Scotland. So hope to see many more coming.
Dixie Scott, fully elastic, fully fantastic.